Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to find all saved Wi-Fi passwords in Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. You can uncover all saved Wi-Fi passwords on a Windows machine using built-in tools like Command Prompt. Here's how to do it step by step. Find all saved Wi-Fi passwords, open Command Prompt as administrator, press Windows key +X. Select Command Prompt, Admin, or Windows Terminal, Admin. List all saved Wi-Fi profiles. This will display all Wi-Fi networks your system has connected to. View password for a specific network. Replace network name with the actual profile name. Find the password. Look under Security Settings, Key Content. Bonus: export all Wi-Fi profiles with passwords to back up all saved profiles. This creates a folder in .xml files with passwords included in plain text for each network. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.